Next thing I want to show you is that, let me show you if we have, for example, the slanted surface or slanted edges to see how the press pull is working on those cases. So let me delete that. Here, assume I'm gonna just simply create a wedge here. So, and something like that. So assume I have the wedge like that. So right now, if I come here and use the press pull and click on the press pull and choose this surface, look at how it's gonna extend it. It's gonna extend it normal to that surface. So it's gonna bring it up like that. So if I press enter to exit and I rotate it a little bit, this is um, the way it's gonna extend it. So let me go back and rotate it so you can see it better. So if I bring it this way and then press pull it, if I choose that surface, it's gonna press pull it with normal to that surface. Then press enter to exit. Sometimes in most cases that's what we want to do, but sometimes we might not want to do it that way. We might not to extend it normal to that surface. So let me show you what I mean. So let me go to this one. Let me go to the front view and let me change these to 2D. And if I come here and let me start draw a polyline from 0, 0, and then assume I goes, for example, for 50, and then assume I go up for 100 with angle of 60, then I go back for 50, and then I close it. So this is the front view of the shape I have. So let me go back to 3D view of not this one probably, and change that to the word. Let me rotate it a little bit so you can see it better. So assume this is the front view of what I have. Now if I go ahead and press pull it and add some width to that. So I select this front surface and then I add some, for example, assume 100. Enter again. So let me rotate it. So this is what I have. This is a 3D object I have, and I can zoom out a little bit so you can see. Now look at if I go ahead and press pull the very top surface. So let me rotate it a little bit. So if I press pull the very top surface, look at what's happening. If I go ahead and press pull the very top surface, it's gonna be press pulled normal to that surface. So as soon as I click on that, it's gonna be normal to that surface. So it's gonna press pull it like that. And press enter. So you can see it goes up like that. So it's normal to that surface. But assume this is not what I want to do. Assume I want to press pull it in along these edges, the edges that's already there. How I'm gonna do that? So let me delete that. So assume again, I said I want to press pull it along this edge. So what I'm gonna do is that I will come here and click on the press pull, and after I click on the press pull, I bring my mouse on the area I want to extend it. Before I click on that area, hold on the control key on your keyboard. So hold on the control key, then click on the area that you want to press pull it, and now you will see it's gonna press pull it along that edge that you want. So one more time again, so exit, Control Z. So click on the press pull, bring the mouse on the area that we want to press pull it. Before press pull it, hold down the control key and then click on the area, and then it's gonna press pull it along the edge and that already there, then press enter to exit. So you can see it here. So either you can press pull it simply normal to the surface that is there, or you can hold on the control key to press pull it along the edge that you have there, along the previously edge is there, to press pull it along that direction.